Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you how to create two video from the given two video prompt with the help of artificial intelligence power tool. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome. You can see here and type the Google Flow. This is the AI power tool. And then open the first link you can see here, and then click on the first Gmail, which one Gmail you want to log in the Google Flow account. Click on it, and you can see here this is the main page of the Google Flow. Click on the new project button. You can see here, and this is the main page, and this is the home page of the Google Flow AI power tools. Cross this one and go to the setting. First of all, click on the setting option you can see here and select the 16:9, and then click on the first, and you can see here select the Nano Banana 2. Scroll down, this is the video generation default 16:9, select and 1, and then select the Omni Flash option and select the Always option, and this is the prompt area, and click on the plus icon. You can see here I have already created a picture. You can see here, click on the image option, then click on the upload media option, because I have already created a image for the video. You can see here, click on it. This is the image I want to create the video about this one image. You can see here, then click on the add to prompt button, click on it, and then go to the ChatGPT AI power tool to create the prompt, video prompt. This is the video motion prompt. Copy and then paste here. You can see here, and then click on the arrow button. The video will create, and you can see here, click on the approve, and you can see, would you like to me kick off this one video generation costing 15 credit? You can see here, click on the approve button. The video will create here. You can see here, this one above one is the video. How to download? Go to the three dot and then go to the download option, then go to the original size 720 pixel, click on it. The download has been completed. You can see here, click on the folder icon, and this is the video. Click on it, double click on it. You can see here I have created this one video from the given image. This is the first video. You can see, cross this one, and I want to create another video for the scene number 2. Copy the image scene. First of all, I will create the image for the given video by the VHear application. You can see here, click on the generate button, and then go to the Google Flow, and I have created this one image by the VHear application, and I want to create a video for this image. Go to the prompt option, and you can see here, go to the copy and paste the video prompt here, and then click on the approve button. You can see here the credit, the costing credit is 10. This one is video. How to download it? Click on the three dot and then click on the download, and then click on the original 720 pixel, and this one is video I have created by the Google Flow. Double click on it, it will open, and you can see. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to create the image. First of all, you should create the image for the creating the video, and then create the video for that image. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.